Hey everyone, welcome to the video from North Coast Workshop. Today's video, we're taking the wheels off my Seat Leon and getting a full deep clean. So we'll pull them off, turn them over, clean them inside and out, and then we're going to treat them at the end with this temperature resistant wheel wax, and hopefully ongoing they'll be a lot easier to keep clean because my ones tend to suffer quite badly from getting brake dust and grime stuck in the back of the spokes, and I can't get them very easily by hand. So hopefully in future it'll be a case just taking a pressure washer over them, and then this will mean the dirt just blasts off no bother. So we'll go get the car in the garage now and get started. So with the car in the garage now, that's the wheel, not looking too bad just now on the outside. Fairly clean, washed it a few days ago, but it's this inside dirt that's the bad bit. It never gets touched at all, to be honest. That's about a year's worth of dirt I think since I last had the wheels off, and just because how awkward it is to reach, I just don't bother washing it. So yeah, we'll get the wheel off, we'll do a full deep clean on the wheel, and then we'll give it a couple of coats of wax, and hopefully then ongoing it'll be a lot easier to keep clean. So yeah, in the video you'll see that I have taken off these old centre caps. These are what are on the car just now, and they're looking pretty tatty. These are only about 6 months old, but they don't seem to last very long at all. So with the previous centre caps I took off the wheels, I sanded them down and just coated them in a silver vinyl film, like this one here. You can see it's not perfect though, it's got a few bumps under the film. So the two I put on the wheels, they're perfect. So I fit them in place of them, and I'll probably then sand these down and do the same again, or possibly spray them and then get some emblem stickers to put on top. So yeah, we'll see what to do with these afterwards. So that's the two wheels back on the car now, and then I'll just repeat the process for the opposite side. I just tend to do one side at a time, it's just easier with the jack and the axle stands. So take the front and back off on one side and then do the same on the other side afterwards. Wheels are looking really good, pretty much brand new apart from a few stone chips here and there. So we put 2 coats of wax on both wheels, and hopefully that'll last quite a while and mean that dirt won't stick as much to them. Also, we treated the tyre walls with some tyre shine, and that should make them look a bit cleaner for longer as well. You might have noticed parts of the video as well, the brake calipers are looking a bit ropey. Yeah, I'm planning on taking the wheels off again at some point, taking the brake calipers off and giving them a quick refurb with some red gloss paint. So that'll be a future video to come, keep an eye out for that one. Anyway, as always, hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed what you've seen. Really keeps me motivated to make more videos, and YouTube love it as well. So yeah, 2 seconds, just hit the thumbs up button. Also, hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in future and keep up to date with them. And I will catch you all on the next video, so see you then. Cheers.